The MTLB is not really an APC, but an amphibious multi-purpose tracked carrier which may be adapted to meet virtually any armored support vehicle requirement. Its design is simple and basic, but it has proved to be highly adaptable. It was designed during the 1950s and first seen in 1970. The MTLB was originally employed as an artillery tractor but is now rarely encountered in this role. Instead, the MTLB can carry up to 11 troops in its main load-carrying compartment behind the two-man crew compartment. It may be armed with a 7.62 mm machine gun, positioned in a small commander turret. Soviets employed the MTLB for various roles, including a frontline load carrier for anything from ammunition to fuel, or as a mobile platform for numerous weapon systems and even as the basis for a self-propelled 122 mm howitzer. One variant, the MTLB-V, has extra-wide tracks for operations over snow and soft terrain. There is also light repair and recovery variant, 82, and 120 mm mortar carriers, combat engineering, reconnaissance vehicle, battlefield radar carriers, armored ambulances, air defense missile carriers, command posts for all roles, NBC reconnaissance vehicles and so on. The list seems endless and probably is. Just one series examples may suffice. In 1993 Sweden purchased some 800 former East German MTLB carriers, at a very favorable price. Some of these were modernized with about 200 being stripped down for spares. Once updated, these were used by the Swedish Army as command vehicles, load carrier and to carry mortars and other weapons. Swedish expertise has also been employed to mount a 40 mm Bofors gun turret on a Polish license-produced MTLB chassis for Polish Army service. While the MTLB has been widely used in support roles by the Russian Army, though for a long period of time this vehicle has been considered unsuitable for frontline infantry transport roles due to its limited armor protection. The BMP-2 was used as the main infantry carrier for operation in the frontline. However, in 2022 during the war in Ukraine, Russia lost thousands of armored vehicles. A large number of MTLBs were taken out from long-term storage and used as frontline infantry transport vehicles by the Russian Army, as there were no better option.